Hi everyone, this is Omar Al-Hadi again with another GIS tutorial. And today we want to learn how to design a Lego map using ArcMap. Okay guys, we mentioned before when we designed the hexagon map that designing such maps is very easy using ArcGIS Pro. So if you have ArcGIS Pro, you can head to this URL and learn the ideal way to design this Lego map. And it's designed by John Nelson. I highly recommend following this guy. He really makes pretty good maps. So these are the maps designed by ArcGIS Pro. You can easily choose your style and whatever. But in ArcMap, we have to make a turnaround. Actually, it is a very long turnaround. So try to keep up with me guys and let's get started. First, you have to download the file from the URL in the description below. And inside it, you will find this map, Sudan states. The first step is changing these polygon shapes into rectangle blocks. And to do that, we need a tool located in Arc Toolbox, System Toolbox, Data Management Tools, Sampling. Yes, this tool, create Fishnet. So double click. Now with this tool, you can create rectangle cells for your area of interest. And to do that, first you have to decide where you want to save your output. So I will save it in my default database and I will name it Fishnet blah blah blah. Okay, save. Next you have to define your extent. You can manually enter the extent or you can choose same as Sudan state layer. Okay, by doing this you will automatically get the extent and the origin coordinates and whatever. Next you have to define the shape or the area of your cell, and that can be done by either defining the height and the width or defining how many columns and rows you want in your study area. So you either enter these fields or these fields. So we are going to take the first ones and I will say let my cell width be 0.5 and the height is also 0.5. Now let's check. You see it is no longer required. But what this means, 0.5. The value here is measured by your map unit and I'm using a geographical coordinate system, so my map unit is decimal degrees. So 0.5 decimal degree. Okay. Now there is an optional choice here. Create label points. Leave that. And finally change this option from polyline to polygon and hit OK. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's our result. Now we have our Lego blocks and also we have points which we will use later on. Okay, for now, as you see, get back to list by drawing and take the Sudan states to the top. Yes, as you see, the fishnet covers the entire area of interest, but we only want the blocks that intersect with our map. And so we can do that by selecting by location. So head to selection, select by location, and we want to select from this layer, the fish net, all the features that intersect the source layer feature. Make sure you are choosing this option and do not apply any search distance. And here you are choosing the Sudan states. So everything is okay. Click OK. You see, now we selected only our blocks and we can easily export them. But wait, there is some issue. You see, in our main layer, we have a lot of attributes, but here if you open the attribute table of our Fishnet layer, there's nothing. So before exporting this layer, we wanted to take with it all the attributes from the corresponding polygon in Sudan states. And to do this, we will use a tool called Spatial Join. Where is that tool? Yes, in Overlay, Spatial Join. So head to Analysis, Overlay, and Spatial Join. So our target is the Fishnet, and the join feature will be the Sudan states 1-to-1, yes. And wait a second, the output, yeah, this is the output that I need, and so I will save it in my folder and I will name it logs. Save and okay, yes. These are our blocks. Now, again, we will repeat all of these steps for the point layer. So, select by location from label and which intersects the blocks layer. Make sure to choose here the blocks layer. Apply. Very good. Okay. Now again, spatial join the point layer, the blocks layer, save it in this folder and name it point layer. Points. Save and okay. Very nice. We no longer need these layers. So the fish, goodbye. Very nice, very nice. Now let's make some symbology. Head to the blocks properties. From the symbology tab, navigate to quantities and using the population field and the classes, let the classes be 4 classes. Yes, very good. Nice. Now for the points, again symbology, quantities, population, 4 classes. Very nice. What next? We want to change the symbol from points into these images. You see, these are not a normal points. These are images. And why I can't find them? As you notice, you have already downloaded these images along with the Sudan states. So you have 4 images, 1, 2, 3, 4. There you are, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are going to use these images in our symbology. And to do that, we will click here on the first class, change the symbol, navigate to edit symbol. Now, instead of using simple marker symbol, I'm going to use picture marker symbol. And yes, we are going to use these images. Open, okay, okay, again, edit symbol, picture marker symbol, number 2, repeating the same step, 3, okay, okay, and finally the last picture, number 4, okay. Very nice, very nice. Now I think this scale is pretty good for my map, and so I will make it my reference scale. Set reference scale. Yes, but as you see here, these points are different from their background blocks, and to fix this we will change the color of each class by defining the fill color and the outline color. So for the first class, I will head to more colors, and from here I will make sure to choose RGB model and write down these numbers exactly. 244 tab 177 tab 131. Okay, this is the fill color. Now for the outline color, I will write down the same numbers. 244, 177, 131, and before clicking OK, choose the CMYK model. Do not change anything here, and write down 10 for the black. Then click OK. OK again. Nice. You see what we have done? Now there is no any difference. Let's repeat this again. For the second class, change the fill color, select more colors, make sure to choose RGB, and again for the red 241 15393. Okay, the outline color also 241 15393. Switch to CMYK and change the black. Okay, nice. Again RGB. Now 235 11229. Okay, the same numbers again. 235 11229, and change the CMYK into 10 for the black. Very nice, very nice. Now we only have this class. Change the fill color, RGB, write down 1938817. Okay. The outline color also 1938817, and the CMYK 10 for the black. Okay, okay, very nice. Full extent, and here is your map. Now what else we want to do? We want a background color such as this one, and to do that I will just change the background color for my data frame. Head to the properties, the frame tab, and change the background. Let's choose this. Nah, let's choose LT cyan. Yes, beautiful. So this is how you design your map. Thank you very much for watching. See you again next time. Okay, I'm just kidding. I know you want to learn the trick behind these colors. And you see, to make the map beautiful, you really need points in an image format. Okay? So I searched Google for Lego images, but all the beautiful images were very pricey. And I said to myself, why I should buy an image while I can design one? So I created this Word document, which you also downloaded with the Sudan states and the 4 images. So if you opened this Lego Designer Word file, you will find this button. And I draw this easily by, inserting a rectangle, then inserting again a circle, and then I selected both of them and change their format, adding some effects like shadow, bubble, and so on. Okay, so it's for you now to choose which color you want to give. You can choose any color from here, or even better, you can choose more colors and create a beautiful ramp color for your map. However, before you click OK, you need to write down these values: the red, green, and blue. Then you can take an image for your button using any software you wish, and then save this button. So this is how I created the map. I hope this will help you creating very beautiful maps for your own. So for real this time, thank you very much for watching.